Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show the vertical ruler on Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up PowerPoint and select the File tab up at the top left. And then you want to go down and select Options on the left panel here. And select Advanced now on this particular left panel. And now if you go down, there should be something underneath display that says show vertical ruler. You can check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference and then select OK to save it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.